Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn the modern novel in global context, together, step by step. The modern novel broke the old rules on purpose. Writers stopped telling tidy, ordered stories and began experimenting with form. Stream of consciousness pours a character's raw, unfiltered thoughts onto the page, and time may leap around instead of marching forward. Why? Because the modern world felt fragmented, and these authors wanted the shape of the book to match the messiness of real experience. A favorite modern tool is the unreliable narrator, a voice we cannot fully trust. They might lie, misremember, or fool even themselves. Your job is detective work. Catch the contradictions, the suspicious gaps, the obvious bias, and figure out the truth they're hiding. This forces you to read between the lines, and it makes you an active partner in building the real story. Here's stream of consciousness on the page. The kettle whistling. Did I lock the door? Her face that summer. No, the train leaves at. Notice how thoughts collide without neat punctuation, jumping the way a real mind actually wanders. It feels chaotic at first, but it's deeply honest. The author isn't being difficult. They're capturing thinking, as it truly happens, in fragments and flashes. Suppose a narrator insists, I remember it all perfectly, yet pages later the dates and details don't line up. That mix of confidence and contradiction is your warning flag. The truth often lives in the gaps the narrator glosses over. When you catch these cracks, you stop taking the story at face value and start reading the deeper, hidden version the author really intends. Read the modern novel with 4 habits. 1. Expect experiments with form and nonlinear time. 2. Follow stream of consciousness patiently, trusting it to mimic real thought. 3. Question whether your narrator can be believed. 4. Connect the broken form to the fractured world it reflects. With these, the modern novel's strangeness becomes its genius. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.